morning, students. Welcome you all to Sagar College. So today we will discuss about a very special topic of animal tissue. That is your, I think, special connective tissue. In the last class we have discussed about the dense connective tissue, about the loose connective tissue. So today we will dealing about the special connective tissue. Okay. Here, Saji देखिए आमे कौन the special connective tissue. The connective tissue, why this is special? They have a special kind of function. This tissue they have a very unique function, very special function. So these are called as your special connective tissue. These are specialized for special function. Okay, and the special connective tissue that is of two types. Number one, skeletal connective tissue. Number two, that is your vascular connective tissue. पहला लगा है skeletal connective tissue, दूसरा क्या है vascular connective tissue. So in the skeletal connective tissue, the matrix is hard with lot of fibers. It is a hard matrix, solid matrix. The matrix is solid with fibers present here. Vascular tissue the liquid is matrix. The matrix is liquid matrix. उसमें क्या है? The matrix is not containing any kind of fibers. Fibers are absent. This is the basic and the real difference of a skeletal tissue versus a vascular tissue. If it is a solid matrix with a lot of fibers present inside it, so the main purpose of skeletal tissue is support. Strength, it provides strength, okay. Solid means it provides the strength, then that is support, is the main function. Liquid, the main function is what? Transport of substances from one place to the other place. Transporting materials. And the skeletal tissue is giving us support, giving us a definite framework. Okay. Next come to the skeletal tissue. Called as what? Skeletal tissue. Skeletal connective tissue the component क्या है से which is the example of the skeletal connective tissue. Here the examples are bone and cartilage. Clear? Function कौन है? Skeletal connective tissue. The basic functions I will inform you. The functions are like provides definite shape, to the body. So ये कौन कोड? The skeletal tissue is giving us a beautiful shape. The height, the width, whatever it may be. So it gives us a definite shape. किमती सेप दला by making our skeletal system, our skeleton, it forms the endoskeleton of our body. Sep da किमती दला, it forms endoskeleton. Clear? It forms the endoskeleton of the body. Then उसके बाद it provides protection to the vital organs. Protection to the vital organs. Provides protection to the vital organs or important organs. For example, the skull. That provides protection to my brain. Skull protects brain. Okay. Then vertebral column. Vertebral column. What it will do? It protects the spinal cord. Protects spinal cord. Okay. Skull protecting the brain, vertebral column protecting the spinal cord. My rib cage. Rib cage, you know, this is the sternum and the ribs are there, vertebral column is behind me. So, ये जो बच्चे हमारा rib cage, माने कौन है डा? Rib माने कौन? पिंजरा आड़ा जो जनता बनी चंदी rib cage. ता भीतर कौन अच्छी lungs अच्छी, your heart is present. So, it protects what? The rib cage protects what? Rib cage protects heart and lungs. Heart and lungs, etc. Clear? Next part. Skull, vertebral column, rib cage, they provide the protection. The next one is स्पेशल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. उसके अंदर कौन है? स्केलेटल वन. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर स्पेशल, देन स्केलेटल सिटी. सो चालीच फंक्शन दीटा गला. Endoskeleton gives definite shape and none other than that is the second one is protection. Third one, storage of minerals. Storage of minerals. Storage of minerals इतने कौन आवो? Bone matrix बेतरे calcium और phosphorus टा store एक ही रहेगा. It stores calcium and phosphorus. It stores calcium and phosphorus inside the bone matrix. Okay, calcium, the bone matrix is rich in calcium, it's rich in phosphorus. Next, formation of blood cells. Formation of blood cells. Blood cells कौन formation है वो देखिए आया अभी इधर कि जो RBCs, WBCs and platelets, these are formed inside the bone marrow, red bone marrow of the long bones. Okay, the RBC, your WBC, your platelets are formed inside bone marrow. Formed inside bone marrow. Okay, formed inside bone marrow. उसके बाद the skeletal tissue helps in listening. Helps in listening of sound. So वो listening में कैसा help करेगा वो? Your ear, the middle ear part, our ear is having three parts, external ear, that is the middle ear, then it is internal ear. उसमें क्या है, in the middle ear there are three small bones present. I think you might have studied in your class 9 or 10, I think 10. The middle ear containing three small bones. Hammer, anvil and stirrup. Baimti podithivo malleus, incus and stapes. Stapes, the smallest bone. Okay. These three bone helps in the amplification of the sound. जो साउंडटा मनेकर मुझे क्लाप मारली, क्लाप गुड़ा पकेल, ठीक है, साउंड वाइब्रेशनटा एयर मीडियम रो आसिकरी मोर जो पिना अछि ना या भितरे भितरे जो अछि नळी अछि एक्सटर्नल ईयर ऑडिटरी मेटस ता भितरे जाई करी मिडिल ईयर रो गुड़ा पर्दा अछि कर्णपट ईयर ड्रम टिम्पानिक मेम्ब्रेन तो सहीटी बाडेला साउंड इज वाइब्रेटिंग माय टिम्पानम, दिस इज ए क्लाप and the vibration spread in the air, that is vibrating my tympanum or my tympanic membrane. So ये कर्णपट भितरु tympanic membrane भितर साइड रे तीनटा बोन लगी थाए to the internal ear, to the cochlea, malleus, incus and stapes. These three small bones are called as ear ossicles. These three small bones are called as what? Ear ossicles. That means three small bones called as what? Malleus, incus and the stapes. ये जो तीनटा बोन रहा malleus, incus, stapes from outer to inner. काम कौन helps in sound amplification? Sound amplification माने जेतिकी फ्रिक्वेन्सी रो साउंडटा जाई थिबो से तीनटा बोन पास करी सरला बेलको दैट इज एम्प्लीफाइड 22 टाइम्स 22 गुण साउंड तार एम्प्लीफाई जो इनक्रीज ही जो तमे गोटे टेबल ऊपर कान रखो ठक ठक करो आगे टेबल कानटा उठे नियो टेबल ठक ठक करो जदी सब बुधबो कान रखी के ठक ठक करो आई थिंक यू विल फील मोर लाउडर साउंड कौन भाई तब नेचर ऑफ मीडियम चेंज होउची फ्रॉम द एयर मीडियम टू ए सॉलिड मीडियम इट्स अ बोनी मीडियम इट इज एम्प्लीफाइड द साउंड इज एम्प्लीफाइड और एयर मीडियम टू वाटर मीडियम यू कैन राइट lighter medium to denser medium it is amplified, very simple, clear. So these are the basic functions of a skeletal tissue. So then we will talk about the bone in details, cartilage in details. चलिए शुरू करते हैं बोन. बोन स्पेशल कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, उसमें लिखता हूँ स्केलेटल connective tissue, that is your bone. Special connective tissue under special skeletal, then that is bone. Bone को कौन थी in Greek language osteon. In Greek the bone is called as osteon. कौन कहवे आको osteon. So definitely the study of bone is osteology. यदि बोनटा अस्टियन ताले osteology कौन हवो is a branch that deals with study about bone, deals with the study about bone. ठीक है. What kind of speciality is found in the matrix of the bone? Bone matrix. Bone matrix is hard, non-pliable. You see, the bone matrix, the specialities. Bone matrix that is hard and non-pliable. Hard matrix and non-pliable matrix. Pliable means flexible. Non-pliable means it is not flexible. Bone, you cannot bend a bone. Suppose this is my bone, my radius and my ulna. Could you able to bend my bone? No. You will bend, it will break. It is not flexible. But this is the cartilage. This is the ear penage, my cartilage. It is flexible. It is pliable. Okay. So hard and non-pliable bone matrix. Now, the bone matrix contains the composition of the bone matrix. Bone matrix containing the inorganic salt along with the organic protein. Organic part as well as the inorganic part. And the maximum part, that is the 70% part of the bone matrix is inorganic. And in the organic person, it is only 30% part. समझे ना? And in the inorganic person, the main salt is calcium hydroxy apatite. Calcium hydroxy apatite. It is a salt of calcium and phosphorus. उसमें क्या है? ऑर्गेनिक कंपोनेंट में क्या है? It is composed of osin protein. Composed of what? Osin protein. The organic protein which is called as osin protein. Clear? This is the osin protein. The organic component of the bone matrix is the osin protein. The inorganic component of the salt is calcium hydroxyapatite. It is calcium hydroxyapatite. देखिए नेक्स्ट पार्ट, एक स्ट्रक्चर डायग्राम बनाते हैं बोन का. This is a bone. Okay. And basically the bone has different parts, but you see the bone, these are the head. This is also head. Head is called as epiphysis. Head is called as what? Epiphysis. And this part is the shaft part. Shaft is called as what? Diaphysis. And in the shaft part, the covering which is yellow color. The outer covering of the bone is called as what? Periosteum. This covering, the outer covering of the bone, this is yellow covering. It is what? Periosteum. अब उसमें क्या है? उसके अंदर भी खाली जगह है. Bone, it contains a hollow cylinder inside it. And this is called as marrow cavity. It's called as what? Marrow cavity. Marrow cavity. And this cavity is also lined by a membrane. That is a membrane. And this covering is your endosteum. Outer trachona, periosteum, inner is the endosteum. And inside this marrow cavity, that is packed with bone marrow. It is filled with bone marrow. This is filled with bone marrow. The cavity is filled with bone marrow. Inside this marrow cavity, it is called as what? Bone marrow. Okay, the cavity is called as bone marrow. Bone marrow may be red bone marrow may be yellow bone marrow. जो मेरुटा हेड पार्ट रोचे एपिफाइसिस पार्ट रोचे that is the red bone marrow. Excuse me. And the bone marrow present in the soft part that is your yellow bone marrow. अब लिखेंगे उसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत. देखिए called as what? Bone marrow. Bone marrow is of two types. One is my red bone marrow or the RBM. Another is my yellow bone marrow. Yellow bone marrow, or this is called as your YB. Red bone marrow according to in the epiphyseal part, present in epiphysis, present in epiphysis, and this is present in diaphysis. Present in the diaphysis part. फंक्शन क्या है उसका? रेड बोन मैरो विल प्रोड्यूस द रेड ब्लड सेल्स, व्हाइट ब्लड सेल्स एंड प्लेटलेट्स. रेड बोन मैरो हेमोपोएसिस occurs. हेमोपोएसिस माने कौन छुआ? ब्लड सेल फॉर्मेशन. तो या भीतर कौन हम? ब्लड सेल फॉर्मेशन है जो ब्लड सेल भीतर तो आसला कौन? आरबीसी, डब्ल्यूबीसी एज वेल एज प्लेटलेट्स. ओके, ता भीतर सब हो. तो ये जो हेमोपोएसिस रहा, हेमोपोएसिस भीतर कौन कौन रहिबो देखिबा? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ आरबीसी. RBC production is called as erythropoiesis, है ना? Production of WBC leukopoiesis, production of platelets thrombopoiesis, RBC, उसके बाद WBC, last one is the platelets. अच्छा, ये WBC रा कौन है? leukopoiesis. प्लेटलेट्स कौन हम? थ्रोम्बोपोएसिस. तो एमती सब ब्लड सेल्स आर फॉर्म्ड. आरबीसीज, डब्ल्यूबीसी एंड प्लेटलेट्स, these are formed in the red bone marrow. Yellow bone marrow containing the adipose tissue contains what? Adipose tissue. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट. Now what kind of the bone cells present here? Let me tell you. ये जो हमें देखिले मेरू कैविटी तार इनर लाइनिंग डाला एंडोस्टियम, बोन आउटर कवरिंग पेरियोस्टियम. तो से एंडोस्टियम पेरियोस्टियम भीतर जो मैट्रिक्स पार्ट रही दैट कंटेनिंग द बोन सेल्स. देखो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बोन सेल्स. बोन सेल्स आर ऑफ हाउ मेनी टाइप्स? 4 टाइप्स. Bone cells are of 4 types of the bone cells. Number 1, osteoprogenitor cell. Progenitor माने precursor cells, starting cells, mother cells. So from these cells any other bone cells are arising. बाकी तक सारा bone cells ही progenitor cells में develop होते. Okay, fine. सो प्रोजेनिटर सेल्स को कौन कही परिबा हमें बोन मदर सेल ऑस्टियो प्रोजेनिटर प्रिकर्सर सेल्स और मदर सेल्स. Okay, so any other cells get developed, any other bone cells develops from these cells, from the progenitor cells. आउ जी रिमेनिंग बोन सेल्स आम डिस्कसन करवा अच्छा जो मैंने सेटा सब कौट आस प्रोजेनेटर सेल्स फॉर्मेशन हो फाइन. उसके बाद ओस्टियोप्रोजेनेटर सेल्स. नेक्स्ट वन हाँ ओस्टियोब्लास्ट. ब्लास्ट माने बिल्डिंग. दीज आर बोन बिल्डिंग सेल्स. बहुत इजीली मन रखिपार. बी फॉर ब्लास्ट, बी फॉर बिल्डिंग. So it makes the bone matrix, it secretes the bone matrix, synthesizes bone matrix, it secretes bone matrix. ये कौन करियो? बोन मैट्रिक्स सिक्रेट करियो. गोटे एंजाइम सिक्रेट करेबो. ये अल्कालाइन फॉस्फेटेज. It secretes the enzyme, it secretes the enzyme that is your alkaline phosphatase. Alkaline phosphatase. It secretes that enzyme called as your alkaline phosphatase enzyme. Clear? That alkaline phosphatase enzyme is responsible for making the bone matrix. Then the next cell is the osteoclast cells. Let me write down here for you. The next one is the osteoclast. C for clast, C for crass. Bone crushing cells, bone destroying cells, bone crushing cells. Crash माने कौन? It will destroy the bone matrix. तो ये खाली इजी रे. सी फॉर क्लास्ट, सी फॉर क्रास. एंड विल डिस्ट्रॉय द बोन मैट्रिक्स. केमिति के बाबू डिस्ट्रॉय करिवो रे? बाय सिक्रेटिंग ऑन एंजाइम. सिक्रेट्स एसिड फॉस्फेटेज. इट सिक्रेट्स व्हाट? एसिड फॉस्फेटेज एंजाइम that will digest the bone matrix. टूट जाएगा सारे के सारे बोन मैट्रिक्स, चाहे ऑर्गेनिक पार्ट, इनऑर्गेनिक पार्ट, that will dissolve by the acid phosphatase enzyme secreted by osteoclast. Then the last one is the osteocyte. Osteocyte means what? It is the mature and inactive bone cells. Osteocyte is the old bone cells. Okay, mature bone cell. Mature bone cell, non-dividing bone cells. Osteoblast, once become osteocyte, it cannot divide. Non-dividing cells. Non-dividing cells. Okay. And this osteocyte is now trapped in the bone matrix. Osteocytes are trapped inside the bone matrix. Trapped inside bone matrix. Okay. These two sides are trapped inside the bone matrix. So this is all about your bone matrix, different functions. Then we will be dealing about the cartilaginous part. Okay, come to what? Cartilage. The next kind of tissue, that is your cartilage, and in the Greek language, cartilage is called as your chondros, means cartilage. And the study of cartilage is called as what? Chondrology. Cartilage, the study of cartilage is called as chondrology. It deals about study of cartilage. Deals about study of cartilage. Deals about the study of cartilage. Cartilage skeletal connectivities, and its matrix is unique. The matrix of the cartilage. Let me tell you about the matrix. Here the matrix is the solid matrix. Pliable. This solid matrix kintu flexible. You can bend the pinna. You can bend your nasal tips. Pliable. But resist compression. But resists compression. Compression tak कोई resist करियो. Okay. Solid, pliable, but resist compression. Fine. The next thing is, the matrix is avascular, means without direct blood supply. ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଘଟଣା ଅଛି? Next, it is highly transparent. Why the matrix is highly transparent? What is the concept behind it? अब उसमें क्या था? Bone matrix is opaque due to the deposition of calcium salt. But in the cartilage matrix, calcium salts are absent. Okay? Transparent due to absence of calcium salt in the bone matrix, cartilaginous matrix. If it is highly transparent, then you cannot have the X-ray photography of your cartilage. Photoda में कार उठे पर ये opaque, नहीं? जोड़ा opaque जहाँ पे लाइट पास करी बने तार फोटोडा में कैप्चर करेगा. बस जोड़ा ट्रांसपेरेंट जहाँ पे पॉसिबल लाइट टा फोटो केम दिने वो कैमेरा रो जो लाइट वारला फोटोन से रिफ्लेक्ट ही गैसलेटा कैप्चर होगा ना, बट इधर रिफ्लेक्ट करना नहीं पॉसिबल है. So you cannot have the photography of this kind of cartilage. Okay, so it will not respond to X-ray. It does not respond. Does not respond to X-rays. Cartilage will not respond to X-rays. It is highly avascular. ठीक है. Then come to the cartilage cells. Okay, I would point like the cartilage matrix is made up of chondrin protein. The cartilage matrix that is composed of chondrin protein. Chondrin protein. The cartilage matrix is composed of the chondrin protein, which is chondroitin sulfate. Inorganic salt is absent here, calcium salt is not deposited, it is highly transparent. So, what are the different types of cartilage cells? There are cartilage cells like the chondroblast, chondroclast and the chondrocyte. देखिए chondroblast the immature cell, young cell, highly active cells. It secretes cartilage matrix. Secretes cartilage matrix. Chondroclast, it destroy cartilage matrix. Chondrocyte, the mature cell that is trapped in cartilage matrix. Trapped in cartilage matrix. Non-dividing. Non-dividing cells. That is a non-dividing cells. It will not divide. Mature cell and trapped inside the cartilage matrix called as lacunae. How? So these are all about your cartilage. So where these cartilages are present? Cartilages गुड़ाक कोडी अछि हम बॉडी रे कहलो. The location of cartilage. So you can write some of the examples of cartilage. Pinna, nasal septum, epiglottis, then in between vertebra, then articular cartilage, costal cartilage, sternal cartilage, so many cartilage are there. Articular cartilage, ये लिखो बहुत एग्जांपल से गलानी ठीक लिखी दाओ. Okay. Next part that is your cartilage is over, skeletal tissue is over. Then the next part is the doubt. If you are having any doubt, then please ask me. So next class we will go on for vascular connective tissue. Okay, fine.